What's up? So this is just going to be a really quick apartment update. Don't have too much, but I do want to get some content and just kind of take you guys along with me on this little journey. Show you guys what I got so far. Again, it's still not much, but at least I want to show you. So when you first walk in now, sorry, I'm still kind of straightening up as well. I have this mirror here. This is from Amazon. It is like a 36 inches wide and then 71 inches tall. I actually had wanted the mirror to like be all the way up there, but budget wise, just this is the one that I can afford. So there's nothing in the bathroom still. My grandma's gonna get me my rug and stuff, so I'm gonna try to do that this weekend. I have this garbage can here also from Amazon, and then I got these little baskets from Target. Again, I'm still trying to organize my spots, so just bear with me. I got this little shower hanging thing from Marshall's. And then I have these candles here. These candles are amazing. These are by this girl named Lauren. Her company's name is Dreamlit. She's in Chicago. This is not sponsored. I'm just obsessed with her candles. They are very luxurious and the price is amazing. As far as the kitchen, still pretty bare. I have my TV sitting on the floor. I still gotta get a nice stand for that. What you see here is actually plywood. This is a piece of it, and then I have the other two pieces here, and I am going to make a headboard, and it's gonna be 8 feet long. This is actually the fabric. So this fabric is velvet and it is amazing. It was very expensive, which explains why I really don't have much of anything else in my place, because I spent so much trying to create this dream bed of mine. Let me show you the bed too. I put lights under the bed as well, so I got the lights also from Amazon. And then in the spring summer, I'm going to change out this black comforter for a cream one. I got this comforter from, I can't remember, but they also have it on Amazon. Like, this isn't sponsored by Amazon, but they have been providing a lot of great stuff for my place. Oh, and then I got this bed and I got the mattress. So I got this bed from Wayfair, and then the mattress, I got it from Amazon actually. Oh, here's some more candles. This is also by the girl Lauren. This one is my absolute favorite. And then this one is by Yankee Candle or Woodbrick Candle, and it's currant, ambrosia, and sunset, no, sugar berries. I got this ear piggy bank from college. I've had this for years, but I don't know. I have a bunch of piercings, so people always find that intriguing about me because I don't seem like that type of person to have all these piercings in my ears. So I just got that ear to poke fun at myself with that. I got my board here. I'm not sure I'm gonna hang this. Oh, I do know I want to get like a desk here, and then I'm going to have a projector so that way I can watch movies that are projected onto this wall. And I got this lamp from Kirkland's. I actually have a bulb that's the same color neon, but I can't find it, but that's what I want to put in that lamp, and then just have this for my little office space. So yeah, that is the update for now. I don't know, other than the headboard, when I'll be getting anything else. And I know it doesn't seem like I have that much at all, but I promise you what I have so far has just been very, very costly. So not sure when I'll have the next update for when I have more furniture. My place is probably gonna be like this for a minute. Forgot about the chairs. These chairs, I'm not sure where my mom got these from, but she put them together for me. She got them for me. Anyway, yeah. Not sure when you guys are gonna see another update of new furniture, but it's probably gonna look like this for a few weeks, possibly even another month or two. But at least want to give you guys an update, and I should be having some hair videos coming very soon. Until the next video.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.